Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss a very rare congenital cardiac anomaly of tetralogy of Fallot with aortopulmonary window. Tetralogy of Fallot is one of the commonest cyanotic heart disease and it is associated with a variety of anomalies which may include double aortic arch or absent pulmonary valve. However, its association with aortopulmonary window is extremely rare and very handful of cases are recorded. This case was accepted in Indian Heart Journal. So the presentation is not like that of a tetralogy of Fallot. It is more like an increased pulmonary blood flow with a desaturation, saturation being little high 80s or low 90s, and these babies are at high risk of development of severe pulmonary hypertension in early natural history. When we do echo, there is a very small differential of having large pulmonary arteries in setting of TOF, which may include large arterial duct, large MAPCAs, absent pulmonary valve with severe pulmonary regurgitation, and third being aortopulmonary window. There are few clues: patient present with poor weight gain and suck rhesus cycle. There is a large single S2 with no murmur of pulmonary stenosis, malal and subaortic ESD, which is classical of TOF, small pulmonary annulus and dilated aorta, and dilated main pulmonary artery and branches. There is no gradient across pulmonary wall. So this baby of 5 months presented with poor weight gain. This is a plaques view suggestive of aortic annulus and large malal and subaortic perimembranous VSD. And this is pulmonary annulus, which is very small as compared to aortic annulus. And this is dilated main pulmonary artery. Compare this with aortic annulus, which is almost equal. These are dilated branch pulmonary arteries, right and left. This is forward flow across pulmonary wall. Demonstration of forward flow is important, as if it is not demonstrated, one can confuse this with truncus arteriosus or arterial trunk, and aortopulmonary window, one can say is a type A truncus. Again, demonstration of forward flow across pulmonary wall. So this is a annulus of pulmonary valve, which is very small as compared to aortic annulus, which is quite big. This is forward gradient across pulmonary valve, which is very insignificant. This is aortopulmonary window. Note the hypoechoic nature of the tissue adjoining the window. It is very important, but there is no viewing tissue. And this is a demonstration of flow, left to right flow, aorta to PA flow, again aorta to PA flow in other little different view. This is aortic arch. This is retroaortic innominate. So this patient underwent successful surgical closure. All these components were confirmed at surgery. AP window was closed. There was small annular patch was used and VSD was closed. Baby had an eventful recovery. Thank you for your patient hearing.